friends, today we are going to discuss about how to send a mail using simple email services using Python BOTO3 SDK. The steps involved for performing this operation. First, we have to verify our email ID with a simple email service. Uh, Once it is verified, you have to go to EC2 instance and write a Python script calling the BOTO3 SDK. So these are all the steps here involved to perform this operation. Let us see in detail how to do that. I'm in AWS console now. I'm going to my EC2 instance. If you go to my EC2 instance, you can see my session is already running. Means my instance is already running. Uh, okay, so I'll get into my instance first. Before getting to instance, first step, as I mentioned, we have to go to the simple email service. Simple email service. Okay, and here you need to go to email address. uh, since I've already configured my email ID and verified, so I'm not going through that steps, but in general you have to create a new email ID. Once it is created, you will get a verification in your email ID. You have to go to the log into your email ID and verify the email address, means the notification what you received from Amazon, sorry, AWS. Then you are set. You'll see the status as verified. Before to that, you'll see the status as pending. Once this is done, then you can use it into the AWS resources for sending a mail. Okay, this is the very first step, as I mentioned before. Once this step is done, we can jump into connecting to EC2 instance. But before to that, EC2 instance is already running, so just double check that my EC2 instance is already running. I'm going to use the first EC2 instance which is running. Now I'm going to the terminal now. So I've already connected with the EC2 instance. In down below, I wrote the script already to save my time. If you go and see my script inside it, you'll see the BOTO3 SDK used for calling the SES resources. I have written the script. The first, if you see, this is the package means the SDK I'm calling here, and for exception handling, I'm calling the particular method from the BOTO, and then I'm instantiating the client here. In the instantiating, I'm passing the two parameters. What is the resource I'm going to use it, and the second one is which region my client belongs to. Okay, then I'm just defining the message body, in which what is the message body should consist of. It is a text to pure text. Then here the resource what I'm going to use it here again under the resources, I'm giving the credentials like the access key ID and the secret access key of that account. But in general, this is not recommended to hard code it here. You have to use it very confidentially, because this is anybody can breach your account and do the anything. So you have to be very careful and passing that. After finishing this video, I'm going to delete the secret access key ID and secret access key. And coming back to the final section, sending the mail, here the try exception block. I'm just catching the exception down below, and this try block, the actual code is I'm capturing here. Here is a straightforward. The verified mail ID is sigma.plsql@gmail.com, and the destination also same. Okay, and the subject, this is outcoded with a character set of UTF-8, and body, the message body what I prepared before in the beginning, I'm calling here. Oh, that's it. This is the format you need to follow. So basically these two, the instantiating the client the first most thing, and assigning the resource with the security credential. So then the third thing is calling the method of send mail. This is the send mail is the final method actually calls uh, calls the source destination message and send the mail. That's it. Once this script is ready, now we are good to run it. Go to the shell prompt and execute python send test mail dot py. See, the mail has been successfully sent. You will see the message ID for your reference. Now you can go to your Gmail and verify. You can see the new mail got created. Okay, so this is how you can call the simple email service using the Python BOTO SDK. Simple to use. If you have any questions or clarification or comments, please leave your feedback. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.